You better go after her. You better go get her. She's going to hide that bone from you. Lucy's going to hide that bone from you. You look at there. She's trying to find that place to hide that bone. Yeah, she's seeing if you're looking. Ethel, you better go find her. Look at her. She can barely get through that snow. Look. She's going to hide that bone. What you looking at, Luce? Ethel, you better follow her. You better follow her. And she's looking for a place to hide that bone. What you doing, Ethel? Ethel. Hey, honey. Hey, baby. Hey, sweet girl. You're my baby, aren't you? Are you my baby? Are you my baby? You better go run. You better go run while you're out. Go run. Aren't you pretty? You're a pretty girl. You're my pretty girl, aren't you? Huh? You watching for Lucy's hiding that bone, aren't you? Lucy's over there hiding that bone. Look, she's hiding it. Look where she's hiding it. Way. Here in there, she's hiding that bone. She's stashing that bone under that plant. I saw where you hid that bone, Lucy. I saw where you hid that bone. Yeah, I did. Y'all gonna play? Y'all gonna play, huh? You gonna play? Ah, quit. Well, you sniffing something out, aren't you? What you doing, Lucy Goosey? What you doing? You're my girlfriend, aren't you? Yes. You're both my girlfriends. Aren't you my girlfriend? Where you going, Ethel? Where you going? Y'all, I'm ready to go in. I'm ready to go inside. Yes, I am. It's getting cold out here. What you find? Huh? What you find? I'm gonna get it, Lucy. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Dig it up. Dig it up. What is it? What is it? I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. What is it?